This is a 2018 Ford Expedition, and here's how to get your keyless entry door code if you have two remotes. Pull out the little plate from the bottom of your front cup holder, drop one remote into that little slot, power up the ignition without stepping on the brake pedal, wait for about 4 seconds, and then power it down. Change that remote out with your second remote, same thing, power it up without stepping on the brake, and wait for about 4 or 5 seconds. You'll see it pop up on the dashboard. There it is. Now if your vehicle uses a regular key that just plugs into a normal ignition, it'll work the same way. Turn the first key on, wait for about 4 seconds, turn it off, put the second key in, turn it on, wait for about 4 seconds, it'll pop up on the dash. You want to do so without starting the vehicle.